Hey guys! Today we're unboxing one of the most compact and portable soldering iron. As you can see, I had to open the package right at the post office to verify the contents of the parcel. The TS101 by Miniware. This is the upgraded version of well-known TS100. In addition to the soldering iron itself, I ordered a stand to prevent damage to the work table. Also, I ordered a cellulose sponge for tip cleaning, and a cable with a crocodile clip. Now let's take a closer look at the device. Upon opening the box, we're greeted by a user manual. The TS101 features a USB Type-C port and also supports standard DC barrel jack input. It includes a compact OLED display for temperature readouts and settings. This soldering iron supports precise temperature control and quick thermal recovery. This is anti-slip cap. This is a soldering tip model TS-PC2, and this device is also compatible with TS100 tips. Now let's take a look at the power cable. This is a USB-C silicone cable. When powered by 24 volts, it heats up to 300 Celsius temperature in just 11 seconds. I'll be using this tool in my upcoming project, and I'm looking forward to seeing how it performs.